Gunshots near the presidential palace. However, celebration was seen in a nearby opposition stronghold after news spread that President Alpha Conde had been ousted. We are very happy with what we heard, what we saw. What they saw was a group of Guinean Special Forces soldiers who announced that they had arrested the president, dissolved his government, and suspended the constitution. They called themselves the Union for National Reunion and Development, or CNRD. They said the coup was a response to widespread corruption, mismanagement, and poverty. Leaders declared a nationwide curfew and ordered the country's political elite to present themselves on Monday. Outgoing ministers and former presidents of institutions are invited at a meeting at 11 a.m. at the Palace of the People. Any failure to attend will be considered as rebellion against the CNRD. A video shared on Guinean social media platforms showed Conde on a couch next to a masked soldier. Coup leader Mamady Doumbouya said that the former president isn't harmed. The president is with us. He is in a safe place. He is seen a doctor. The coup has sparked international condemnation from the United Nations, the African Union, and France, which was the nation's former colonial ruler, calling for Conde's release and constitutional order. Guinea has been beset by unrest since December, when Conde was sworn in for the third term in a controversial move after a disputed election despite the law only allowing for 2 terms.